Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and you know it's gonna be a good video. Alright, we know it's gonna be good. There are 2 packages of gel polish. So Madame Glam released this special collection. There is reds, pinks, and whites, and it is the Glam Powerful and Fame collection. I might have said that out of order, so don't be mad. I'll link it below. But these are gonna feature all reds, all pinks, and then different shades of white. So you can see like this is like a creamy white. This kind of looks like a purpley white. Let's peek at this because I'm curious, okay? Yes, it has such a slight tint to it. I'll show you guys in the tutorial, or the video, I mean, but I'm also doing a tutorial at the end. So if you want to see me swatch these and do a tutorial, go ahead and keep on watching. First up is Welcome to LV. Super pretty red. This is a nice orangey red. Nice thin formula, which you guys know I like. 1 coat coverage. I mean, Grand Canyon. Okay, I think this one is going to have a little pink undertone, and it does. So I'm gonna try to scrape it on. You can see there's such a slight pink undertone. So I don't know if this is a little bit more jelly to get that pink undertone, but it's still 1 coat coverage. Next up, the strip, which would be perfect because, oh, this is like a berry red. Okay. I love a good berry. You know what this would be perfect for? Halloween. Add a little bit of black. And then, I mean, this is actually pretty close to blood red, but you know what I mean? Like, just to kind of get it deeper and a little, like, dirty. I put too much on, so I'm trying to take it off. Again, 1 coat coverage. Perfect. Have we figured out I'm going darker as we go? Okay, this is Casino. So it's funny, I'm obsessed with Formula 1. This is definitely a brown, but it's like a brown red. Like, it's brown with a red undertone. So I'm obsessed with Formula 1. My husband and I have watched it for a bunch of years. Him, obviously, before me. And they're going to Las Vegas next year. I'm gonna try to go. I'm obsessed. Yeah, pretty color. All right, last red, High Roller. Or, now see, this is a chocolate brown, but there is still a red undertone. But it's definitely brown. Although I see like purple. Do we see the purple, or am I just, you know, imagining things? I mean, that's very true. But this is actually really perfect for doing trees, or if you like a nice chocolatey brown. Again, this formula is on point. All right, let's get into the pinks. Rodeo Drive. I'm obsessed. This, I think, is one of my favorite pink colors. I went on TikTok Live, was it a couple days ago? And I did a pink look as well. And this would have been perfect in there. Next up is Venice Beach. All right, so we have Vegas and California. So let's see what the white theme will be, because I'm here for it. Nice dusty pink. This would be really pretty to do some flowers with it, but I also like this going into fall, like end of summer into fall, this type of like dusty pink. Next up is Walk of Fame. Okay, this is like a dusty Barbie pink. Really pretty. The Boardwalk. Now this is your light, perfect pink. Literally, like the perfect light pink right here. And this is the Boardwalk. Although I always think of like Barbie pink to be kind of like maybe a little bit darker, but this is like not Barbie pink, baby pink. Baby pink. Perfect baby pink. All right, last of the pinks, we have Hollywood. Ooh, this is a white pink. Okay. I love a play on colors. Like it looks white, but it's pink. So like if you, I'm gonna show you probably against like a stark white, and you can see that it is pink. But I love colors that look different. All right, I had to bring it down. So this is perfect white, and then this is that baby pink, which is Hollywood. Yeah, Hollywood. But do you see what I mean? It looks white. Like if we go lighter. Isn't that crazy? I'm obsessed. I love the play on colors here. Time for the whites. We got Millennium. Pretty. This is like a yellowy white, which ironically, so story time for me, I didn't realize that there were like different shades of white. Like, I mean, I knew, but like I didn't like know that like what I consider white is like the perfect white, like from Madame Glam that I showed you earlier, that's what I consider white. I consider these like cream. No, they're white. Fun fact about me, didn't know that. Next up we have the Loop. A nice taupey beigey white. This has a cool undertone where the other one had a warm undertone. Nice thin formula. And again, with lighter colors, I recommend 2 super thin coats. Next up, the Old Town. Oh, I really like this color. Or white. Yeah, this would look great on my skin tone because I am pasty. Okay. Gotta wipe some off with the stick. And again, so far I've needed probably 2 coats. There's a little bit of shadowing and very little when you actually put it up there, but definitely do 2 coats. Next up, the Water Tower. And this one looks like it has a purple. So you know how that pink, like the white that looked pink? I mean, it looks pink here because it's on a white. This kind of reminds me that this will be like a purpley one. I love it. Okay. Honestly, I think this came from me because I just spilled one, or I dropped the top and it got everywhere. There's the pink right here, and that looks a little purpley to me. And Riverwalk, and this looks like that same type of white but blue. So we have a blue, a pink, and a purple white, but is that super, super light color that's like white but does a play on it. Yes.
I don't wanna fight anymore. Just turn around and leave me. The tear in my eye drops on the floor alongside my speed.
right, so I'm going to take Grand Canyon, I'm going to take Rodeo Drive, and then I'm gonna take the boardwalk. I'm going to put a dot right here. Because we are going to do some stripes. I'm taking this brush, I just got it from AliExpress and I cut it. I like to roll my brush into the product. So we don't get too much on. Don't worry, I'm not gonna make you sit here in real time, so I will fast forward this for you guys.
I never pray to God anymore. I'd rather no one hurt me. Redemption, I have waited for you to come and drown all my sins. Fight anymore. Just turn around and leave me. The tear in my eye drops on the floor alongside my speed. My knees are
Alright, I have this one, which is Sparkling Hearts.
pray to God anymore. I'd rather no one hurt me. Redemption, I have waited for you to come and drown all my sins. My knees are drenched in the blood I spilled just to get it. When
All right, here is the final look. I feel like there's no wrong way to do glitter. And when I was doing this, I was like, you know what? I kind of want like a feature that would kind of be like dramatic. And so when I was laying down the gel polishes, I was like, I wanted it to be dramatic because it's about fame, power, and glamour. So obviously you needed to do something that was like powerful. So when I was laying down the colors, I was like, you know what? I could really use a pop of glitter. And so that's what I did. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial haul and swatch video. And don't forget, I do have a discount code. I will link it below. I'll also link the gel polish collection below if you guys are interested. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.